We know that there is a significant problem with drink driving in the UK. We know that around 250 deaths occur every year because of people who are under the influence of alcohol at the time of driving. We also know that there's a significant problem with people not realising they're under the influence. 1 in 9 driving under the influence situations happen the morning after, between the hours of 8 and 11, without people realising that they're actually over the limit.
The interlock works by having a device that is installed into the engine compartment, which is the size of a mobile phone. Once the test is done, the engine can start and off you go in a normal journey. And the Interlock 7000, if you wanted to go down that route, means that you have GPS and a camera, which means facial recognition is then implied. It simply takes 5 to 10 seconds. Drink driving in the UK is a problem at present, so what we're looking to do is we're looking to work with the government to be able to act on this and therefore introduce the interlock for a reoffender programme.
We know in the US over the 12 years that the reoffender programme's been in place. There's been over 3 million journeys prevented that would have involved a driver with impaired through alcohol. The benefits really are twofold in the fact that people can keep their vehicle, learn from their mistakes and move on from it, and secondly, we're keeping people a lot safer on the roads.